Well, now, since we have now learned our formulas for finding circumference, where circumference equals pi times the diameter, or circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius, or 2 times the radius equals the diameter, we can, if we know the circumference of a circle, well, we can find the diameter and the radius. And so in this example here, it asks us to find the diameter of a circle to the nearest hundredth if the circumference is 77.8. Let's see, and I think it wants us to find the diameter and the radius. All right, well, if the circumference is 77.8, and we can find the circumference by multiplying pi times the diameter, well, then we could find the diameter by dividing the circumference by pi. Just a simple algebraic thing. We want to find the diameter, so we want to isolate that variable representing the diameter. And let's see, that circumference is in centimeters as well. Well, let's just whip out our calculator, and let's take 77.8 and divide it by pi. And we get 24.7645, and we're asked to round that to the nearest 100th. And so then the diameter is going to equal 24.76, and don't forget your unit of measurements, centimeters. Now, what about the radius? Well, if 2 times the radius equals the diameter, then half of the diameter is going to equal the radius. So I can say that radius is then equal to 76, divided by 2. And that should give me the radius. And so I take that 24.67 and I divide it by 2. And we're going to round it to the nearest hundredth. And so it is 12.38 centimeters. Don't you just love learning?